Okay, this is how I make cinnamon rolls. Easy, quick, frozen bread dough, thaw it out. Stretch it. Okay, I let the dough thaw out. Didn't let it rise. I thawed it out overnight in the fridge. Frozen bread dough. 2 loaves. I stretch it out like this. Dip it in oil, vegetable oil, and butter melted together. I just put it in the microwave. Warmed it up so the butter would melt. This is cinnamon and sugar. I like it this color dark. And I just roll it up like this. It's the way my grandma taught me how to do it. 2 loaves pretty much makes 6 of these. Fits in my cake pan perfectly. My grandma made cinnamon rolls almost every day because lots of people come over for cinnamon rolls. She originally made them she worked at a restaurant called Skelly Cafe, I do believe it was called. And they sold out so quickly, so. Okay, that's done. I can also put that in a container for another round and freeze this. But you don't have to, but I can. I will be saving that. Okay, I got this. Now I just take a little bit and I sprinkle it on top just for extra crust because I like that crust. Okay, now we cover this and we let it rise. We'll do that. Okay, these have raised. So I've got the oven on preheating 350 and we're going to put them in the oven for, I don't know, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, these are done right out of the oven. Now this is what I do. I take this, I got my aluminum foil here, and I flip them upside down. And then you got all that luscious caramely stuff. It's got to cool because it's hot. That's it. Now look at those. Look at how good those look. Oh, yeah. Now this is some goodness going on here. Go ahead, grab one.